Today, Wall Street plunging as stocks free fall. The Dow taking a nosedive, falling nearly 3%, closing down 767 points. It's the worst day this year. The Treasury officially labeling China a currency manipulator. ABC's Maggie Rulli explains.
Stocks start off the week in a free fall. The Dow finishing down more than 767 points. The S&P falling more than 3%.
That's the worst drops this year for both.
Many investors are worried that China is using its currency as a weapon in the escalating trade war with the U.S.
It's a very potent and a kind of a scary weapon to use in any trade battle. Anytime. The fact that it's China is scary to a lot of big trading partners. They're enormous.
The U.S. Treasury Department has labeled China a currency manipulator after the country allowed its currency to slide to its weakest level in a decade, making Chinese imports in the U.S. less expensive and U.S. companies less competitive. China also announcing it's asked state-owned firms to stop buying U.S. agricultural products, just the latest blow to American farmers. The move is seen as a retaliation to President Trump's new stiffer tariffs on Chinese goods that he announced last week, making it so virtually all Chinese imports will soon be taxed.
We've taken the toughest ever action to stand up to China's trade abuse.
The president says these tariffs will protect American jobs and intellectual property, and he claims China is the one footing the bill.
You're not paying for those tariffs. China's paying for those tariffs.
But the cost of tariffs is often passed on to consumers.
This hurts the people who buy those goods, but also the people who sell them.
And experts say it's the things we commonly buy from China, like phones, computers, furniture, toys, clothing. All of those things could potentially get more expensive. But to put today's dip into perspective, the Dow Jones is still up more than 10% for the year. Maggie Rulli, ABC News, New York.